In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Adobe Express. Blurring is a simple way to soften a photo, draw attention to your main subject, or reduce distracting details when you're designing social posts, thumbnails, or presentations. The best part is that it's quick, intuitive, and completely reversible. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express and clicking directly on the photo you want to blur. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles around it. If you have multiple elements on the canvas, make sure you've clicked the actual image, not a text box or shape. Remember, blur applies to the image you've selected, so if you want to blur a different photo later, you'll repeat this same selection step for that item. With the image selected, look to the right side of the workspace for the Image Properties or Adjustments panel. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's the panel that houses core editing controls. This is where you'll typically find options like brightness, contrast, saturation, and, importantly for us today, blur. If you don't immediately see it, confirm the image is selected. The panel appears contextually and will show image-specific controls only when an image is active. Now find the blur control and use the slider to set your desired intensity. Dragging the slider to the right increases the blur, softening edges and smoothing out details. Dragging it to the left reduces the effect. You'll see the change update in real time, so move slowly and watch how the image responds. For a subtle, professional look, like creating a gentle haze behind text, just a small nudge is often enough. If you're obscuring sensitive details, slide further until the content is no longer readable. If you go too far, simply pull the slider back or set it to 0 to remove the effect. This adjustment is non-destructive, so you can fine-tune it any time without permanently altering the original photo. A few quick tips as you adjust. Aim for just enough blur to guide the viewer's eye without turning the entire image into a smear. If your design includes text on top of the image, a modest blur can boost readability and make the typography pop. And keep in mind that the blur applies only to the selected image element, so other photos or graphics on your canvas remain crisp unless you adjust them too. That's all there is to it. Select your image, open the Adjustments panel, and use the blur slider to dial in the perfect softness. Save your design when you're happy, and you're done.